Speak Like a Pro with Samantha Prabhu. Today we're learning how to speak with clarity, confidence, and emotion. If you want to practice in your own voice, reduce the volume of this video and speak along. If you want to improve your pronunciation, tone, and delivery, follow along with her voice. Don't just watch, speak.
Good evening, everyone. Honest confession, when I was asked to speak tonight, I almost said, "Are you sure you want me?" And then I realized, no, I want to speak tonight. And that first response is exactly why I want to speak tonight. We are so used to making ourselves smaller. I receive a compliment and I trot out 3 reasons why I don't deserve it. Oh, I got lucky. Oh, it was the team. Oh, someone else did most of the work, and so on. We alter our schedules, our opinions, our ambitions, so that everyone around us are comfortable. And we do it so cheerfully and so willingly that we don't even register it as a sacrifice. I want to take a moment to focus on why all of us are here tonight. Not tonight, but in this industry. No one enters the Indian film industry because it feels safe. I mean, job security, hours, scrutiny, self-doubt, rejection, objectification. It's personal even if they tell you it's not. So any woman who sees all of this and still says, yes, this is where I see myself going, is already extraordinary. So I want every woman to get the applause that she deserves for choosing this and for standing up again and again in an industry that makes you work for everything twice as hard. I mean, this is bravery. And since we're here to celebrate one another and perhaps be real with one another, I would like to say something about the industry that we are building together. I dream of a day when a woman's name above the title is so insignificant that no one talks about it. I dream of a day when stories are not called female-led, as though they were a risk, a category, a qualification, or worse, an apology. I dream of a day when women on screen are as contradictory and complicated and real as the women watching them, not just someone's wife or the reason the hero finds his courage, just themselves, fully. I dream of a day when a woman negotiating her contract is the most boring headline of the week. And I dream of a day when safety on set in every form is not something that is hushed up about, but what this industry builds as a foundation. I know we are far from it, but every woman in this room is helping build it. With the stories she chooses to tell, with the negotiations she refuses to back down from, with every younger woman she brings into the room with her, it changes. It might be slow, it will be stubborn, it takes audacity, and it takes one brave woman at a time. Which brings me back to where I started. This is who is in this room tonight. This is all of you, brave. And even if there's one woman who needed to hear that, I'm so glad you came. Thank you. And thank you, dear Savarna and Anupama Chopra, for bringing us all together for this celebration. It is truly an honor.